use these algorithms instead of these ones. Hey guys, I'm Kyle the Cuber. Today I'm going to show you two effective algorithms. The first one goes like this. And then you're done. To make it very simple, just initiate the algorithm with right R so that transition to the next step becomes very simple. So that taking that 2x2 block becomes very simple. This algorithm is very similar to the one on top, have the same move counts, same style, same speed, I guess. Second algorithm goes like this. Since today is Christmas, I like to give you this one. It's a Christmas present. When you have two pieces, you have to set them to that slot. Don't rotate the cube. Insert like that. Don't do that. Just maintain the position. Just do that, or this one, and insert her. Then align across, or ideal. Can try to make it faster. Okay, don't forget I'm Kyle the Cuber. Thanks for watching.